Hello everyone, Yvonne Marie here, and welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. So we are making an Easter card today. This is the Just Hatched craft die, and you get a cracked egg, a chick, a bow, and some feet, and the little eyes and nose. And so this is a really cute set, and I cut them out of white cardstock, and I chose to ink blend them today. I'm using some yellows, so squeezed lemonade and fossilized amber for my chick here, and it's really cute. And I love the little cute face, and so I chose to ink blend the feet, and then I decided to add the feet that came with the set. So you can do either, it's up to you, and I'm just adding some darkness on the edges here, on the wings, and all over the body. So a really cute set and perfect for Easter or any time. Chicks are really cute, not just for Easter. And then I chose to ink blend the cracked egg. So I'm using some picked raspberry and some broken china for my egg, and I'm just doing a like pink blue pattern. And then I did use spiced marmalade for my the feet and the nose or the beak on the chick. So all oxide colors today, and using my glitter blending brushes from Cat Scrappiness, which is perfect for ink blending. And I always love to ink blend. You can easily use colored cardstock or pattern paper, and it would be really cute too for this card. But anytime I can ink blend, I'm gonna ink blend because I think it's fun, and since I have all the colors on my desk, why not? And it's easy to cut everything out of white cardstock, so I sometimes go with that. And just wiping up my desk, and so I'll be cutting out the eyes, and so I added the eyes, and then I'm adding the beak, and I'm going to add the feet. I'm using liquid glue, and so I think it looks really cute. And there is so many fun Easter products and new embellishments that just hit the Cat Scrappiness store, so I hope you'll check it out. And there's also nested dies that you can find too, so really fun. Here's the bow that I'm using some blue faux glitter paper, and all I need is a little scrap here, and so I think that will be cute to add a glitter bow. And then I'm using some chalk to give my chick some cheeks. So really cute. I think it's adorable. And I will glue my bow in the center on his chest, or could be a she. So really cute, and it would look really cute on his head too, or her head. And so really fun and easy to mass produce these cards too. So I'm using the A2 Heart Sunburst die, and I'm using some fun Starlight, I think these are the Bright remixed paper pad, and I'll have everything in the details. You can also click on the product supply bar as well, and that will take you to the Cat Scrappiness store. So I'm using this orange colored pattern paper with some dark blue aqua paper. You can easily do a shaker card. I do have some shaker bits in my on my table there, as you can see, so it would be really nice as a shaker card as well. And I'm just trying to see which placement I want to put my chick and cracked egg. And so, and I love my pink caddy too, because I store all my cat scrappiness brushes and tools and leave it on my table. And then I'm going to be using in white A2 card base, and I will glue my Sunburst A2 Heart Sunburst die cut on my colored cardstock, and I will glue that to my A2 card base. So really simple, and I like really simple and cute cards. So I love how this Easter card turned out. I think it's nice with all the bright colors and the ink blending. I didn't add a sentiment to this card because there was so much going on, and I figured I can just add a sentiment in the inside of the card. So you can always do that. And I wanted my chick and egg to be my focal point. And so I'm just adding the little piece of the cracked egg for a hat. Or it can look like he was just hatched. So really cute. And then I will glue. I didn't want to cover his feet because I did ink blend them 2 times, and I think he just looks cute showing his whole body. So I am just using my egg to the side there. And you can easily layer it too, so the holes would be a different color of cardstock underneath. That would be cute as well. So just gluing everything with my liquid glue. Next I will add my embellishments, and these are the white confetti sprinkles, and I'm just using my pink triangle embellishment tray, and I will be using my tool here to add my embellishments. And I am going to be adding a few here. And I liked the white because I felt like it matched the white on the pattern paper, the white stars. So again, I love how bright this card came out. Usually I go with bright or pastel colors, so that's usually what I go to. And after this, I will be using my white gel pen to add a few accents. And really, that is all for this card. So I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun ink blending it. It was a lot of fun, actually. And this is a cute set, so check out the Cat Scrappiness store. And thank you for joining me today. I will show a close-up. Have a great day.